Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to create pivot tables and charts in Excel. Pivot tables and charts are essential data analysis tools used to quickly summarize, reorganize, and visualize large data sets. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have a data set of 1,000 students in a college, and each record contains student's name, class, section, discipline, and marks. If the principal would like to find out the highest average score of a student in a particular subject, then checking each record manually would be very time consuming. Therefore, a pivot table is used in such cases, which helps to summarize all the type of information instantly and saves time. Pivot chart presents it visually, the analysis faster, easier, and more meaningful. Hence, why do we need pivot tables and charts? For instant summarization. Here, no coding is required. Data exploration takes place, dashboards can be created, and visual impact is higher. Now let me take you to an Excel question where you need to create a pivot chart depicting sales at actual price and sales at list price by taking products as the basis of comparison. You can see a table has been given to you where the data of date, product, sold by, list price, actual price, quantity, region, sales at list price, and sales at actual price has been given to you. So now let's start making the pivot table. Click on any of the cell inside the table. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Pivot Table. Another box is being shown up which says Create Pivot Table. Select the table of the range. Here already the range or the table is being selected. Choose where you want the pivot table to be reported or to be placed. Here I need this particular pivot table in a new worksheet. You can also put it in the existing worksheet. So I've selected the new worksheet and I'll click on OK. A new sheet is being opened, and on my leftmost side, I'll be creating or I'll be putting up the fields which are required for my analysis. And I'll need to put these fields by clicking on the table at my right, which says pivot table fields. What are the pivot table fields which you'll require? So in the question, I need to create the comparison of products by showing the sales at list price and sales at actual price. So I'll select product at my rows. So you can see at my rows, the products are being shown up and the values will be sales at list price and sales at actual price. So you can see my table is being formed up. So this is how pivot table is being created. Now, if I need to create charts from this pivot table, I'll again go to the Insert tab. Under Insert tab, there are charts. Under charts, you can also go to the other charts or can click on recommended charts. I'll click on OK and a bar chart is being formed up where blue bar shows the sum of sales at list price and orange bar shows the sum of sales at actual price of all the products which are being shown on the x-axis. Similarly, if I need to find the products at my based on the region, so I'll select the region and drag it to the filter. Currently, all the regions have been selected up. Now, if I want to select East, I click on OK. And in the region East, there are 3 products being sold up: iPhones, TV, and watches. And similarly, there's some of sales at list price and actual price have been shown up. So this is how we basically create pivot table and pivot charts. Thank you so much.